Ow! I just very slowly bumped my leg against this big thing on my... All right. Hi, everybody. Adam Savage here in my cave with a show and tell from our friends at Maker Cabinet. Now, you might remember Maker Cabinet because, among many other things, they made this beautiful thing, this iris, which, by the way, does not show its logo until you've closed it. Maker's Cabinet seems to be a company populated by machinist geeks and implement addicts. Their stuff is over-designed in the best way. I mean that as the highest possible compliment. It's made out of simple materials with simple gestures. There's very little flourish on them. It is a philosophy. And the first thing they've sent me is one of their new products called Ferrule, the pencil holder that extends your creativity. They have not, this isn't a quid pro quo or anything. This isn't a sponsored video. I just really like this company. So I have, hang on, let's get this all right. Hold on. I can reset to 0. There we go. Oh, look at that. Hi. So they have sent me this Ferrule, which is a pencil extender made of brass and stainless steel. It holds 7 to 8 millimeter diameter pencils, otherwise known as pencils. It includes 3 HB and 3 2B incense cedar pencils made in Japan. Wow. It is a solid brass pencil extender which elevates the pencil to the quality of a pen. Use the full life of your pencils and erasers. Yeah, that's for sure. So I keep opening this and things are all falling out. Look, I just want to say, even from their beautiful directions, they have taken inspiration from all sorts of places. I'm assuming there's going to be some inspiration from Lego instructions here, from Popular Mechanics from the mid-century. They clearly love their graphics department, and they love them some fonts. There are some font nerds at this company, I'm quite sure. And so here we have Ferrule. It consists of a brass holder into which you can install an eraser. And then you can close that. Ooh, yep. Amazing. And then there's the pencil holder, which is this. You turn it about 120 degrees. A third of a turn. You turn it 1/3 of a turn. It's 120 degrees. And you open it up. Oh, here's the best part. When you open it up, you see the name of the product, Ferrule. Oh, that's great. And you put the pencil in there, and you close it back down. And it now is holding the pencil firmly without marking it. I mean, a little bit of a mark, but not much, almost none. I don't have a pencil sharpener here, so excuse me for a second. I'm gonna use the belt sound. Yes, disc sanders make excellent pencil sharpeners. This is a beautiful piece of equipment. I love this. Yes, that feels great. God damn, is that a... Oh, that's lovely. Thank you, Maker's Cabinet. Thank you guys for showing your love by sending me some fun things that you make. I love that. I love this on here. But this isn't even the most exciting thing that they sent. They included with their gift a letter saying, hope you are well and have a great day. Inside you'll find a finished version of our Ferial. But they also said, we're sending you a prototype of our newest creation, Laszlo, a prototype. It's a real thing, a prototype. That's. Oh, look at this. Even says in it. Oh, prototype V3.1, machinist Odin Ardach. Ardog? Wow. Wow. Wow, Loki. This looks like for a prototype, it's a fairly finished presentation. But let's take a look at this. This is a heavy brass pen. It's a pen. Yep, that's a pen. That's a pen, all right. It writes. Oh, wow. How do you even... Oh, that's how you even... I couldn't even see the split of where it unscrewed, but you can actually unscrew the tip here and you can get into the mechanics. This was hand machined by someone. So that's cutting single point threads. Oh, wow. I'm nervous about taking this apart, and I'm not going to. I just don't feel like it right now. I will tell you that the... look at that. You can't even see that joint. That's lovely. And they've also really staked out a claim for their stuff in this beautiful brass look, in this sort of natural look. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. Oh, man. It is a beautiful, beautiful execution. And honestly, that feels almost like it's a switchblade, frankly. Wow. I love having in my collection a piece that was made by a person. This is Laszlo. Laszlo, interesting name. I love it. There's a bar around the corner from us called Laszlo. This is beautiful. Odin, made by Odin. Odin, Ardog. This is lovely. Maker's Cabinet, guys, thank you so much for a prototype. I am going to put this, I think it's going to go with your other stuff. This drawer, the drawer in which I store all the sensitive measuring equipment, is in a sorry state. I need to make like 2 more of them, and I need to redo that whole thing. That's another build for another day. For right now, I feel very lucky that I get to open packages with these delightful letters of fellow inventors, makers, and machinists, and the letters including both things that they sell and things that they've just made. What a freaking treat. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick show and tell, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.
Hey guys, Adam Savage from Tested here. If you've ever seen the 6-inch ruler in inches and centimeters on my forearm and wanted one of your own, but you didn't want it to be permanent, well, today's your lucky day. You can now buy temporary tattoos of my measuring stick, my measuring forearm, at tested-store.com. Comes like this, goes on in about 30 seconds with a little water. The instructions are on the back. It comes off with rubbing alcohol, and hopefully it warms you up to the idea of permanently attaching a measuring device to your body, because I use mine every single day.